Hello, first graders. This is Mr. Mullen. One of the assignments that you have to do today is to compare the two stories that we've read, A Walk on the Moon from last week and Night and Day from this week. And these are both nonfiction texts, and they talk about some similar things, but there's also some things that are different about them. Before you do this assignment, you should try to reread both of them so you have it fresh in your head. And while you're doing it, it's okay to look back at the texts to get some information when you're filling out your top hat organizer. So on my screen here is what your assignment will look like. And so I've got a top hat organizer, and the kids should be familiar with this, but if you're a parent, maybe this is the first time you've ever heard about this. And on the top part, there's two sections. One's for A Walk on the Moon and one's for Night and Day. And that's the part where you're going to write things that are different about the two texts. And then down on the bottom here, this is where you put information that's in both of the texts. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in an example here so you can see what that would look like. So if I click on the box here, it says A Walk on the Moon. So one of the things that was interesting about the Walk on the Moon was it talks about an event where they go to the moon. So it's about a specific time. So I'm going to write that. And Night and Day, they didn't talk about any specific things. They kind of talked about more generally what about the moon and about the sun and about night and daytime. So I'm going to say when they talk about the moon, it's more general. Now, if I think about both of them are nonfictions and both of them have facts about the moon. So I'm going to put both had interesting facts about the moon. So what I want you guys to do is you can just add in your details right in on here, add one or two more details in each of the boxes, and you will be good to go. Hopefully this goes smoothly for you, and let's have fun comparing the two texts.